I'm not going to say it, I was about to say welcome to my channel, but I say that every time and everybody always says that, so just hello. I am super excited today. I wasn't even going to film a video, but I thought that I would in the end because something very exciting arrived in the post and I thought I would share it with all of you. I feel like I'm a little bit late to the game with this because it has been out for a long time and I haven't got it yet. But I have now got it, and the it that I'm talking about is this. So this is my brand new Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and it's, as I said, it's been out for a little while already, but I just haven't got it yet. But I now have, and I'm very excited about it. I haven't really actually had a proper look at it yet. I've got it out of the box. This is the box that it came in. It's got some pictures on the back of Jaclyn doing her thing, looking very glam. I just thought I would maybe sort of unbox this because I have kind of already unboxed it. I'm not very good at unboxing videos. I get too excited during the day when it arrives, and at lunchtime I'll always open it and then think, oh, I probably should have saved that for my unboxing video. But anyway, I thought I would do a first impressions video and just a chat, what I think about it, and also maybe a makeup tutorial, but I haven't really decided on that bit yet. Anyway, I will show you quickly the palette. Ooh. So that was the protective film, and look at this. Look how amazing and beautiful those colours are. They're so nice. So she's got all of the colour names on the back, so they're all listed on here. So I guess when you're doing, if you do videos like me, then when you're using them and doing the video, you can refer to the names on the back. And I just always think it's nice when palettes have names for their eyeshadows. I don't know why, it just feels nice. So just taking a first glance at this, I'm really liking these. This colour's really nice. So that would be Jax, I guess. Jax, that's probably a good one to like in the Jaclyn Hill palette. This one's gorgeous. What's that? That is Cran Apple. Oh, there's so many gorgeous shades. I really like this one down here. So that's called Diva. It is a really nice shade. So instead of swatches, I'm going to do a makeup tutorial using this palette, and then I can explain my first impressions and just show you it in use. I'm back after having done my foundation and my brows. For my foundation, just quickly, I use this one, which is the Body Shop Fresh Nude Foundation. This one's in the shade Bora Bora Tiare. And for my brows, I used my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in medium brown. Just rushing over that because I want to focus on the eyeshadow. I really don't know what I'm going to do for this. I have no idea. I don't even know which colours I want to use, anything, any theme or anything. So let's just have a look. I've just had an idea. Okay, right, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to go in with this shade here, which I think is called MFEO. And I'm going to apply this transition shade just onto my lid. Oh, it's been such a long time since I've done any kind of makeup videos, so it just feels strange saying these things again. Now I'm going to blend this quite far out just because it's not too much of a dramatic colour and I just want to build it up. I'm going to build that up by going in with Roxanne, which is a slightly deeper pinky tone. So you can probably see that I'm starting to build this into the corner and then work into the crease. So I'm not doing the whole lid as I did with the last colour, I'm just building it up so it looks more like a smoky eye. And then going slightly onto the lid. I'm going to go in with the same colour, but I'm just going in with slightly more angled brush, just because I really want to emphasise the sort of wing on this and just go further out that way. So this is looking kind of orangey. I thought it was going to be more of a pinky tone, but that's okay. It's still going to work with what I had planned. Now I am going to go in with my all-time favourite shade, which is Jack's, and I am just going to apply this to the outer corner and slightly work into the crease, but mainly the outer corner. Look at that, it's such a nice shade. That rattling sound in the background is my cat playing with my makeup brushes. I'm using the angled brush from before just to really work that into the other shades. And then going back in with more product. So now I'm going to do kind of like a lazy cut crease. I'm not going to go in with the concealer like you would normally do and then with the shadow. I'm literally just going to go in with the shadow. It's a glitter shadow, so sometimes this lazy cut crease works, but yeah, I don't want it to be a cut crease look is what I'm trying to say. So the shade that I'm going to go in with is this gorgeous one here, which is, whoopsie, is this gorgeous one here, which is Cran Apple, I think. Yeah, that's right. This shadow just looks absolutely gorgeous. It's, oh, let's see what it's like. Whoa. Wow. So that's slightly darker and redder than I thought it was going to be, but that's going to be okay. We can work with that. I'm literally just going to take my finger because that's easier and then just apply it. I like that shade. That's not really as I planned it, but I'm not unhappy with it. Like I said at the beginning, I just have no plan really with this makeup look, so anything goes. I just want to make sure this is thoroughly blended. I'm so into green eyeshadow and eye makeup at the moment, and so I really can't resist going in with this gorgeous shade here, which is called Enchanted. I just think it's absolutely stunning. So I hope this comes out as I expected. I'm going to do this to the outer corner just to add a bit of definition. Whoa, look at that! That is pigmented. Wow. Now it's very, very important that you do just keep this to the outer corner and don't let it mix up with the rest of the makeup too much. And then switching between brushes just to make sure that doesn't look too stamped on. Sadly, this isn't actually looking very green, but I think that's because of the other colours that I've used it with. It sort of takes away from the greenness of it. To soften this look slightly, I think I'm going to need to go in with one of these slightly paler glitter shades. So this one is called Faint. It's just such a pretty glitter. I'm just going to apply that to the inner corner of my eye. And whilst I'm at it, I'm going to do up here too. I finished the main bulk of the eyeshadow, but I'm just going to go in under my lower lash line with a shade, which I haven't decided yet. I think it's going to have to be Jack's again because I just really love that shade. So I'm going to take it quite far out and make it really bold. So you're sort of going to go all the way across, but kind of just leaving the last little bit. At least until you've got hardly any left on your brush. Go ahead and blend that out. I've decided to go in a bit more with the glittery, what was it called? Cran Apple shade, just using my finger just to touch it up a bit. Also, with the remaining amount of Enchanted, the green colour that was on my brush, I'm going to just do the little little bit on the centre of my lower lash line. And then sort of buff it out a little bit. I think I'm finished with my eyeshadow actually, so yeah, I'm gonna quickly do my liner. I might not do liner actually, I'll decide. And my lashes, and then I will come back to show you the finished look. So I have done my liner, I did decide to do liner in the end, my lashes and my just everything else really. So I'm going to zoom out a little bit. So I didn't think that I needed to do it on camera. I did my bronzer, my highlight, my lipstick and my liner and lashes. I hope that you don't feel like I've missed out a lot of the video. I just genuinely wanted to show you my application of the eyeshadow using my new Jaclyn Hill palette, because that is what this video is mainly about, is my first impressions and makeup look. So, if you are interested, the lipstick that I'm wearing is my Revolution matte lipstick, which is in the shade Chauffeur. I think this was really cheap actually, I got it in a sale, and yeah, it's quite nice, it feels really creamy. Lashes are Girls with Attitude lashes, and they are the mythical siren ones. They are genuinely my favourite ones ever. I love them so much, and they're really cheap as well, so I am not a promoter or anything, I'm just genuinely telling you because they're really nice. I think that's everything then. Yeah, I was really happy with my palette. The colours are just really easy to blend, just such a nice range of colours. I'll show you again. They're just amazing, and you can create so many amazing looks with these. I just want to do loads more now, but I don't actually have time, so I'm sure I will be doing another video shortly using this palette again. I would really appreciate it if you could let me know whether you find it not as good me doing the shorter video. As I said, I just thought that I would show you the eyelash. I thought I would just show you the eyeshadow application rather than the whole thing, because in my other videos I've shown you doing the whole thing before, and I don't know, just let me know whether you want me to show you more or whether you prefer this kind of shortened version. Do any of you have the Jaclyn palette? If so, comment yes below. If you haven't, then you are in the same boat that I was in for a long time. I would actually recommend it. It's really nice, and Morphe do some other really great palettes as well. So yes, I would definitely recommend it to you. I'm going to post this look on Instagram as well, so it'll probably be on Instagram before it's up on YouTube, on here, which you're watching now. But yeah, I normally tend to put things on Instagram first, so do go and check out my Instagram if you haven't done so already, and come and say hi, because that's really nice when people say hi, and yeah, be great. So I will be seeing you next time. I look forward to sharing more stuff with you. Bye! Goodbye!